Dolphin Dividends. Dawud Islam's low-content publishing profits. Dolphin Dividends. Learn how to make daily income selling low-content books. Simple and lucrative. Learn how to make a regular, reliable, and lucrative income producing and selling low-content books. Very newbie-friendly. At last. A no-hype method that actually works. Forget push-button solutions and make real money with low-content books. This is not your typical info product, but an actual opportunity to create products with real value that people will genuinely want to buy. Don't mistake the simplicity of this method as one that is not effective. The products created in Dolphin Dividends are evergreen and will earn you ongoing passive profits. Front end, Dolphin Dividends. $14.95, 50% commissions. You will learn how to easily make and market low-content books, including secret places to sell them for additional profits. All the tools you need are included. Easy to follow over-the-shoulder video tutorials. Dolphin Dividends upgrade offer, Otos. Oto number 1, Dolphin Dividends Pro version, $27. Advanced training in a special members area that will power up and 10x your clients' results. Oto number 2, Dolphin Dividends 6x Super Solos. $67, 50% commissions, $47 downsell. Send 6x Super Solo ads to the 16,000 members across my 25 membership sites in the MMO niche. Hugely popular and amazing value upgrade. Oto number 3, quadruple reseller rights. $97, 50% commissions, $67 downsell. Get reseller rights, not only to Dolphin Dividends, but also 3 of my other best-selling products, Greyhound giveaways, Panda payments and Puma products. Sell all 4, as if they were your own, and keep 100% commissions across the entire sales funnels. Oto number 4, Dolphin Dividends DFY. $197, 50% commissions, $97 downsell. We will create 5x low-content books for you that you can instantly start to sell and make money from. Take all the guesswork and tech skills out of your purchase with the simple solutions. Includes 1x Skype coaching call to help you get started. Oto number 5, launch a product with me, limited to 5 persons only. $997, 50% commissions, no downsell. This is an exclusive opportunity to launch a product with me. Either choose your own product idea or have me create one with you. All of my recent launches have achieved over 300 sales, with some passing 500 sales and winning deal of the day. Guarantee yourself success and a buyer's list that will earn you money for years to come by taking advantage of this unique opportunity. Strictly limited to 5 people. Dolphin Dividends, Dawud Islam's low-content publishing profits.